And we're in match number 37 now of what will be a total of 52 qualifying matches. They're in autonomous. What you see is what they're programmed to do, even if it's just to study the currents on the bottom of the ocean. All right, it's 9-6 coming out of autonomous with the Red Alliance in the lead. The human players, they're controlling the ROVs at the bottom of the sea for the next 2 minutes and 8 seconds, scoring as many points as they possibly can. If they can score a piece of coral, that white cylindrical object that looks like a PVC pipe, they will be able to get 2 points if they can score it in the trough. On the lower branch, they get 3 points. If they can get it on the middle branch, that's worth 4 points. And if they can place it high atop the reef, that's worth 5. There's also little, well, they're not quite little, but there's also round spherical objects out there on the field. That's called algae. They're on the reef and on the field. At the bottom of the sea, the alliances can collect those algae pieces, place them in the net on top of the barge for 4 points. They can also process the algae through the processors on the side of the field for 6 points apiece as well. We're down to 1:20, and it's 26-22 in favor of the Red Alliance as 8100, the Grayson Robotics team, places one up. It falls off of the reef down into the trench beside the trough. There's 8815, the Barnstormers. They're at the reef zone. Looks like they're going to try to pick up a piece of algae off of that reef as 6944 has that coral high atop. It drops off. Maybe it landed in the trough. I couldn't tell. That would have been worth 2 points that it landed in the trough. It's now 33-27 in favor of the Red Alliance as we're down to 47 seconds left to go, and the Grayson Robotics team has coral in their possession. The Fighting Mongooses as well, with their wobbly eyes looking through that big set of eyes there. Moving around the coral zone, they're looking for some more coral at the coral zone. The human player on top of the barge slides it down the chute, down all the way to the bottom of the sea where the bot is standing. There's landed, trying to get that coral in their possession so they can put it up on the reef and gain some more points. It's now 35-33 as the Blue Alliance has taken the lead, and 6944 scores another 4 in the middle. We're at the end game is 10-3-76. The Platinum, the Plutonium Panthers are at the barge zone. 8815, the Barnstormers parked in the barge zone as well. As 7470 and 5900 for the Red Alliance also parked. Each one of those bots credited with 2 points apiece. All right, we're ready to post that final score in match number 37. We take a look, and the Blue Alliance fish are swimming on the reef once more, as it is a score of 49-40. The Blue Alliance gains 3 ranking points as all members of the Alliance move up in the standings.